Hi, today I'll show you how to create this animated background for After Effects. Follow the steps exactly and feel free to experiment with values to match your composition. First, create a new solid. Apply the Fractal Noise effect to this layer. In the settings, change the fractal type to Turbulent Smooth. Leave the noise type as Soft Linear. Set the contrast to 200 and brightness to around -50. Now let's add a quick expression to the evolution parameter. Alt-click the stopwatch and type time times 200. This will keep your background constantly moving. Next, create another solid and name it Radial Wave. Apply the Radio Waves effect to this layer. In the effect settings, set frequency to 6, color to whatever you like, expansion to 4, lifespan based on your preference, I'll go with 5. I want the lines to be thicker at the start and fade out at the end, so set start width to 16 and end width to 1. Now shift this radio waves layer in time so they are visible across the entire screen right from the beginning. Also extend the layer duration to cover the whole composition. On this same layer, add a wave warp effect. Set wave type to triangle, wave height to 400. It should look something like this. You can turn off the visibility of this layer for now. Go back to your first solid and add the Displacement Map effect. In the Displacement Map layer drop-down, select your wave layer. Change both to Effects and Masks. Then set both horizontal and vertical displacement values to 50. Right now the effect is just black and white, so let's add some color. The best way to do this is with the 4-color gradient effect. Pick any colors that suit your style. Now here's a very important step. Change the layer's blending mode to multiply. To make it look even better, add a glow effect. Set glow radius to around 500, glow intensity to around 3. It should look like this. Finally, open the scale property of the layer and bump it up to about 200%. The exact value will depend on your composition's resolution. And there you go, you created your own animated background. Feel free to tweak the settings, experiment and share your results. I'd love to see them. You can find the project file on my Patreon, so make sure to subscribe and hit that like button so you don't miss out on future tutorials.